Welcome to the Emerson Exchange Studios. I'm Jim Cunningham. I'm joined by Matt Austin, Industry Manager of Wireless. We're going to be talking about an exciting new technology. Matt, welcome, first of all.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here. I understand Emerson has developed a new technology for monitoring power consumption. First of all, what is it and what challenge are you addressing for customers in the industry?
No, great question. So what we developed is the world's first wireless HART-enabled power measurement device. And so power measurement's been around for a very long time. Sure. Most of what's available in the marketplace for Emerson's customers are wired power meters. Okay. The challenge with wired power meters is you have to be able to wire them back to your DCS or control center to get the data back, which becomes really costly. Sure. And so we developed a technology to take a power meter, convert the signal to WirelessHART to allow our customers to put these power meters wherever in the facility they need them, connect the data back through a WirelessHART gateway, and bring it into their control center.
Tell me a little bit about how the technology works.
So it's actually really simple. We're only measuring two parameters. We're measuring voltage and amperage on three-phase motor loads. So given those two inputs, we can then convert doing calculations on board the device to give our customers access to almost 140 different variables related to power consumption, just a lot more insight into how energy is being used, either at the facility level or at the individual asset level.
Tell me a little bit about how the customers have responded to this technology.
You know, the customers are really excited because not only does the device give them the ability to address really two key challenges that we see, one being energy management, which I think is probably the most obvious, right? We're measuring power, right. We're giving them insight into how energy is being consumed in their facilities. And we're seeing a lot more customers that are interested in doing this, not just from cost saving perspective, but also there's new government regulations going in place here in the US, but also around the world, asking companies to be more efficient with the way that they use power.
Right, yeah, absolutely. It sounds fantastic, and of course we all want to be more efficient in that area, don't we?
Absolutely, yeah. and so energy management I think is the most obvious play, right? And it goes into that idea that you can't manage what you're not measuring.
Right.
And now we're giving them the ability to measure power wherever they want to measure it in the facility. So we can start at the substation level and give them a broad look at how energy is being consumed in one area of their facility. If they want to get a little more granular, we can go from the substation to the motor control center. And then if they want to get extremely granular with it, we can go from the motor control center to monitor individual assets. And that ability to monitor individual assets then brings us to the second kind of key use case that we address, which is motor reliability. And so by tracking how electrical motors are consuming power and looking for changes in that power consumption, we can actually give them early indicators to potential reliability problems.
That's all good. That's a win-win, I think.
Absolutely. Huh? Yeah. Emerson for a long time has had measurement solutions to help our customers address critical problems in the facilities. Power has been one that we've always had to go outside to do. And now we've brought that technology in-house and enabled it via WirelessHART to give our customers a solution that's really easy to deploy.
Well, thank you. Speaking of easy, thank you for being here. That was absolutely terrific. We appreciate you spending some time with us.
Thank you very much.
Well, we appreciate it. Thank you, folks, for joining us at the Emerson Exchange Studios. If you'd like to find out more, you can at emerson.com.